Welcome to the Mossyrock Homestead. This is the homestead my family and I live on, the homestead I grew up on. It's 21, 23 acres, somewhere in there, in Oregon. And
I am not from here. My husband drugged me up here reluctantly, but now that I'm up here, I would never want to live anywhere else. I love all the different projects we do. Mostly I start a project and then my husband gets driven crazy by my inability to complete the project, so then he comes in and finishes it for me, so my plans work.
sometimes I finish them the right way, sometimes I don't.
No, you do a good job.
So
yeah,
sometimes.
we do a lot of projects around the house, projects that help us to be able to make things like strawberry jam that'll last us a whole year. We've got our chickens that provide us with our eggs all year. We want to do some kind of a lot of stuff with solar. I want some big rocks moved where I want them to be moved to make different borders that tie into nature around here rather than using store-bought things.
So she's pretty much the boss and I'm the groundskeeper,
yeah,
maintenance department.
I couldn't do it without him because I don't know how to do all this stuff. I just see it in my mind and then he makes it happen.
But let's take a little tour of the property.
We hope you like it.
Feeding time on the farm. Yeah.
Ali requested fruit salad, which now we have tons of leftover fruit for the chichi.
Ooh, those chickens love the fruit.
All right, Ali, go lay it so that it's the red side up and they'll peck it. See those? Look at this one. You see how much they peck that? They peck
Let's see that, Lace.
They peck all the white stuff off, so then I use it for a plate for like noodles, leftover noodles for dinner. It's their dinner plate. See, they know what we're doing.
Oh yeah, they're racing out here.
And did you ever, I didn't know this, Ali, I just learned it now, that chickens peck at red stuff. Did you know that?
No.
So set them kind of around. But set the yummy fruit side up.
What do they got over there? Yeah, go, bud.
I seen a blackbird around a month ago.
What was that?
They've been seeing a blackbird like around a month ago.
Yeah, that was about the same time we saw the one.
I bet by the time we come up and put them to bed tonight, all the red watermelon will be gone. Oh, look at them. Come on out, Ali. See, look, now they'll come out. Soon they won't even run in when we come out here because they'll know we're getting the red stuff.
I picked out that big piece.
That's a big piece. Oh, look, they're all going to swarm it now.
Oh.
Oh, look at that one go to town now. Makes you want to buy a watermelon just for your chickens.
Yeah.
We're going to get some good eggs.
I wonder what color.
Maybe they'll be watermelon flavored eggs. What do you think?
Yeah. I'll probably use
Their watermelon again tonight. I did not want to have to change my pants, Jason. I'm going to have to change Alex and feel keep them through, Ali. It's so gross.
You got a niche? They know what's going on.
Can I dump that, Mom?
They're picking up all the good stuff and not eating their grain, Ali. Look at that. I would get over here. You better hurry because they're after. We got fruit. You guys got treats. The pigs.
They don't care what they are.
The pigs.
Look at the little blueberry right there.
Oh, one of them farted.
I hope you enjoyed the tour. Stay tuned for more projects on the homestead.
We hope you come along with us for the ride. It's fun.